How do you use it in the kitchen? How do you what's your
So
process?
it's limitless. When we first got it, we were very much, just using it as spray and wipe, and then got comfortable with using it as a window cleaner. We use it to clean the floors, but now we're getting more and more comfortable with it that we're brining the chicken in it. And honestly, the chicken's never tasted better. And when I used to brine chicken, I would put sugar in the solution, and we don't have any sugar at Green On. And it's with eWater, you don't have to add anything to it. And so, I mean, ultimately, like, there's no waste either, because otherwise, when you're making a brine, you're using ingredients. So it's even just like a quick dip in the eWater, and it makes all the difference. So we're really loving seeing those properties of it as well.
Do you use the cleaner or the sanitizer?
Both. Yeah, so we dunk it. We plunge it into the cleaner first and then finish it with the sanitizer.
So in a traditional kitchen, what would they normally do?
Normally brine would be salt, sugar, and then aromats like peppercorns, bay leaves, whatever, and water.
Right.
So when we used to brine chicken in New York and we do a huge batch, it'd probably cost us maybe, over $100 of ingredients for each brine, because that's how much salt and sugar you're using, along with the aromats and like the prep time it takes if you're picking anything or toasting off any spices. So it's by using eWater, it's reducing like the staff, the labour that it would take to do it, reducing the ingredients, reducing the food costs, and we don't actually submerge it for a long period of time in the eWater. We literally just do a quick dip. So that's also saving real estate in the cool room. So it's very beneficial, really. Yeah.